Every GPS unit is slightly different. They all have roughly the same functions though. In my case, with this particular unit that I have, I want to access those points. So I'm going to hit the main menu and go to Points. I'm going to hit Enter. I see a series of waypoints in here. Now I could have named these Tree 1, Tree 2, Tree 3, etc. But what I chose to do was just to leave the default numbering system. I'm going to go ahead and find the point that I'm interested in. It's point number 285. There's the latitude and longitude for my point, the day that I collected it, and the number of the point. Remember to think about the Cartesian coordinate system at this juncture. North and west. Okay, we can't just enter those like that into any sort of GIS. You usually have to enter them as positive or negative numbers without the letters preceding. So thinking about the Earth as a Cartesian coordinate system, the equator is like the x-axis in the Cartesian coordinate system, right? So I know that I'm north of the x-axis, and so my y is positive. The prime meridian, though, is the y-axis. In my particular case, I'm in North America, so my y is positive because I'm north of the equator, but my x is negative. So when I enter this number 105.11643, I know that I want it to be negative. Also, do we need all those significant digits? Well, yes, we do, for a variety of reasons we'll chat about later. We do need all those significant digits to be able to map our point accurately. I can hit OK if I want to, but I'm going to just write down that point and just enter it into the computer. Let me go ahead and map that point. That's my point right there. Let's chat about tracks. If I go to the main menu, I can see that one of my choices is a track. Remember, this is that breadcrumb trail that the GPS was laying down while we were out in the field. I'm going to go ahead and hit tracks, and I can see a variety of tracks. In this particular GPS unit, I can store 10 tracks. I know that I collected this one on May 16, 2011, so I'm going to go ahead and enter that. And then I can see how much of an area that my track covered, the distance, the date, and the number of points inside, these are track points now, inside my track. And so I'm going to go ahead and map that. There is my track. It includes a bunch of waypoints along it. Why don't I see waypoint 285? Well, I just need to zoom in a bit. There's waypoint 285, 286, 287, and the other ones. So this is the actual walking route as I collected those waypoints, and that's called a track. We'll be able to upload that as well.